Hi guys, welcome to Cindy in LA. Today, I'm gonna stop by local boutique, which is Beverly Hills store, and I gonna get a bag. It's been 4 months I was waiting for this bag, so let's get started. It's been a while I visited this store, and I tried Eileen bag I haven't seen here, and there were two color I really loved. What do you think? And there was another bag, Trim Duo 24 in Velvet Cricket. I loved it. After I got my bag, I was checking out some shoes. Oh my god, this is really reasonable price. I would get one pretty soon. There were so many new season clothes from ready-to-wear section. I love these colors, especially this sky blue color, and this pink color is so lovely. There were yellow color sweaters as well. This could be John Doe color. Love these colors. These are totally perfect for fall or winter season. This kind of burgundy color leather jacket and the skirt is so chic. My god, I love this shade of red. I really wanted this Shangda t-shirt, but it was sold out, so I'm on wait list. We'll see I can get. This is 36 size. It's perfectly fit well, but I think I'm okay with 38 size as well. There's a black t-shirt as well, but I prefer white. It's so chic. I was getting twilly for my bag. Hi guys, welcome to Cindy in LA. Today, I'm gonna do unboxing of one of Hermes bag. I was waiting for 4 months. Yeah, so it took so long, but at last I got it. And I didn't expect I gonna get this time, but yeah, I was happy to get. So let's get started. So you might wonder which bag I got. 3 months ago, I got Birkin 25, which is quarter bag. You know I'm not gonna get quarter bag. So this is not quarter bag, but the bag I really wanted for a long time. And the color is exactly what I wanted. You can guess when you see the box shape and the size. Also, I got a twilly which matches with this bag. Well, let me open the twilly first. There were so many twilly when I was visiting store. To be honest, this one will go well with any bag I have. It's kind of neutral color, so this is the one. Ta-da! So many color here actually. You can see kind of mustard color. These are black color, gray color. So it's a pretty much a neutral color except mustard. It's toned down, neutral color. It's gonna go well with my Birkin. This is gonna really go well with this bag for sure. Fortes Pirouette. I'll put here if I can. It was $180 US dollar. So I love this neutral color. So let me open. Yeah. I was so happy to get this. It took 4 months. I'm like, I couldn't believe it takes so long. And I have something to talk about. Pegasus rodeo I got. This really matches well with this bag. So the bag, you might guess the size is like obvious. Oh my god, I'm so happy already. And there's this one. See the size? Isn't it familiar? One of bag I have. Previous video I mentioned. Among those bags, this is one of the one, but different color. Yes, it's Picotin. And the color is ta-da! Nata. Yeah, I really wanted like something like cream color, white color from Hermes, and I don't have any yet. So I was so happy to get this one. It's like vanilla ice cream color, I would say. It's so creamy. Some people might think this is just summer color, but when you match with something like this twilly, it should be okay during winter, fall season. And lock, palladium hardware. Personally, I think white or like creamy color, silver tone hardware matches well than gold tone hardware, I think. Let me just do this. Oh my god, it's beautiful already. Love this nata color. So the number should match this number and here. I'm gonna try to put twilly and rodeo. So about this rodeo, I have something to tell you quickly. I ordered another color rodeo, Pegasus rodeo I mean. But my essay said you might not able to get because when we get any rodeo salesperson, they need to do raffle, and then when they win the like lottery, they can get, and then they can give to their customer. I mean. When I ordered this, I ordered another rodeo with this, but this came first. But she's saying maybe you can try online, but I cannot guarantee you can get, because if I don't get through raffle, she can't get me. Can you believe? Even though I ordered in advance, that much rodeo is hard to get. Even though they get by luck, they can get, and then they can give to their customers. So I'm not sure I can get another one, to be honest. So let me put the rodeo and the twilly. Nata gonna go well with any twilly or rodeo because it's like white canvas. You can draw anything on white canvas. I'm gonna just try to show you how does it look like. Something like this. Oh my god, I love it. So let me compare with another Picotin 18 I got last time from airport. Picotin Morris leather, and I believe this is Clemence leather. Clemence leather has bigger grain and then it looks smooth, right? More than Morris leather. So this is more rigid, Morris leather, and this is more smooth. So it might be saggy because it's Clemence, but this one is more rigid. But by time, probably it's the same. I heard when you keep the picotin, you better feel with this and make it lie down like this. If you keep like this, this part might be saggy at the bottom, then you can pretty much keep the shape for a long time. That's what I heard. Rouge piment color pretty much match well any outfit. It's perfect for daily as well. But this is gonna be more winter. It's gonna fit with winter outfit. But this one gonna fit pretty much more summer. But I think if you put something like twilly, you can use any season. Gold plated hardware. And this one is palladium. Which one is your favorite? Let me know. I forgot to mention price. So both are same size but different leather. So it's different price. So because it's Clemence, it's cheaper than Morris leather, which is this one. So this one's $27.50. This one was $2,900, around that price. So $200 more expensive. I like both in different way. Yeah, this one is more soft, ladylike, that feeling. This one is more like you can match with any outfit, even during winter time. You can hold. I'm so happy to get both color and different leather. So how was it? Hope you enjoyed my video today. If you like fashion, luxury item, lifestyle in LA, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. And see you soon. Bye. Thank you.